Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Amidst the bustling vibe of the New Jersey hub, the Under-11 category witnessed a classic underdog story. Star Sports' Knights and Dream Cricket Tornado entered the battleground, ready to etch their tales of valor.
The air tingled with youthful exuberance, each team poised as David against the other's Goliath, the pitch set for a clash where every run and wicket promised to become folklore.
A tale not of giants but of spirited colts unfolded. Amidst the whirlwind of extras, it was the Knights who weathered the storm, crafting a modest arsenal of runs.
The Tornado spun tales of might with the ball, striking at the Knights' bastion, but the extras proved the unruly gusts that swayed the battle's course.
In the Knights saga, it was the stoic stand of Vihan Pupala and Nirame George that braved the onslaught. Their partnership, albeit modest, became the cornerstone in a crumbling citadel.
The Tornado bowlers, with the Singhania lad at the helm, brewed a tempest, their spells casting doubt. But the Knights' resolve, and those costly extras, wrote the first act script.
Chasing the Knights' humble total, the Tornado batters faced a siege. Singhania held the fort with a valiant 25 not out, forging a tale of grit.
Pupala's bowling heroics twirled the game's fabric, coupling wickets with stingy overs. The Knights' collective might turned the screw, tilting the scales in their favor.
Vihan Pupala shone with both blade and orb, a young warrior commanding respect, while Singhania's lone vigil was a testament to his burgeoning legacy.
Against the tide, these young champions rose, Pupala's all-round prowess and Singhania's stoic resistance weaving threads into this tapestry of youthful dreams.
Knights clinched victory by 6 runs, their gallant defense turning the Tornado's bluster into a zephyr. The extras, like silent knights, played their part in this narrow escape.
Reflections of joy and contemplation, as the Knights' triumph is inked into history. A mere 6 runs, yes, but a chasm between exhilaration and despair for these young aspirants. A match reminiscent of Stokes' Headingley heroics, with young Pupala scripting his own epic. The Knights and Tornado depart richer in experience, their tales echoing promises of tomorrow.
As day wanes, we recount the courage and drama that unfolded. Such contests forge cricketers, and today, the Knights and Tornado have cast their first indelible marks on the annals of the Under-11 arena.